I'm going to set up a video library now, which is a very similar process to setting up an audio library. And it all starts with, first of all, creating your categories. So in the EzyCourse dashboard, head to video or audio categories. Then we can click this button to add a new category. Let's say I'm going to have some videos under the category of EzyCourse tutorials. Let's say I've also got another category saying software tutorials. And let's say I've got a third category called hardware tutorials. There's no videos added into these categories yet, so I'm unable to show you exactly how this case will look. But let's now have a look at an example of another site using audio categories. In a different video, we'll look at how to upload content into your libraries, but here is a completed audio library. There are 3 audio libraries called Breathing Space, Sleep Journey, and Meditations. And on this site, all of the tracks are different durations. There are 5, 10, 20, 30-minute versions, advanced and instrumental versions. And clicking on these categories at the top shows just the audio that is in that category. The same works for video. If you had different categories of video, your user would be able to quickly filter the library to just that category.